Want sculpted abs that look great and boost your athletic performance? You're in the right place. This 8-minute workout is designed for beginners and can be done anywhere, anytime. It's packed with exercises that target your entire core, helping you build strength and definition. Whether you're short on time or just starting your fitness journey, this routine is your gateway to a stronger, more confident you. Let's dive in and unlock the power of a solid core together. Time is precious, and we've all got busy lives. That's why this 8-minute ABs workout is a game changer. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your own body weight and a bit of space. Think of it as a high-impact investment that delivers incredible returns in just a few minutes each day. This routine is your secret weapon against a flabby midsection. It's about maximizing efficiency. We'll focus on compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you more bang for your buck in every minute. Remember, consistency is key. Even dedicating just 8 minutes a day can lead to visible results and a stronger core. We'll kick things off with the classic crunch. This exercise targets the upper abs, the muscles responsible for that coveted six-pack definition. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head but avoid pulling on your neck. Engage your core and lift your head and shoulders off the floor, feeling the contraction in your abdominal muscles. Remember to exhale as you crunch and inhale as you lower back down. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions, focusing on quality over quantity. Proper form is crucial for maximizing results and preventing strain. Next up is the plank, a fantastic exercise for building overall core strength and stability. Start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, rest your weight on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout. If you're new to planks, you can start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. The plank may seem simple, but it's incredibly effective. It strengthens not just your abs, but also your back, shoulders, and glutes. Let's move on to leg raises, a killer exercise for those lower abs. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides for support. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Slowly raise your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight. Lower your legs back down, stopping just short of the floor to maintain tension in your abs. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements. Don't rush through the exercise. The slower and more controlled your movements, the more effectively you'll target those lower abdominals. Now it's time to work those obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen, with Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet lifted slightly off the ground. Lean back slightly, maintaining a straight back. Clasp your hands together in front of you. Rotate your torso from side to side, bringing your clasped hands towards the floor on each side. Focus on engaging your oblique muscles as you twist. Aim for 20 to 25 repetitions, alternating sides. You can increase the intensity by holding a lightweight or medicine ball. Our final exercise is the bicycle crunch, a dynamic movement that targets multiple areas of your core simultaneously. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the floor as you would for a regular crunch. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while simultaneously extending your right leg straight out. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a fluid cycling motion. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions per side. As with any workout routine, it's essential to prioritize safety and proper form. Always warm up before starting your workout. A few minutes of light cardio, such as jumping jacks or high knees, will prepare your muscles for the exercises ahead. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the workout. Exhale during the exertion phase of each exercise and inhale as you return to the starting position. Listen to your body and don't push yourself beyond your limits. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before starting a new workout routine. Congratulations on completing this 8-minute abs workout. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Make this routine a regular part of your day, and you'll be amazed by the results. Building a strong core is an investment in your overall well-being. It enhances your posture, stability, and athletic performance, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Keep pushing, stay dedicated, and you'll be well on your way to rock-solid abs and a healthier, more confident you.